Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today I want to present and explain a little bit about product and services concept. So, I want to talk about the subtopic. The first one is about the definition of product and services, and number 2 is product grade classification, and the last one is classification of goods. With me, Allisa Mawardah, class 1A with option number 3 and course marketing management. Okay, let's start it. So, there are 3 subtopics that I have to explain. Number 1 is about the definition of product and services, and number 2 is product grade classification, and number 3 is classification of goods. So, do you know about what is the product definition in marketing? So, product is anything that can be offered to market to attract attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that can satisfy a want or need. So, basically, in business, products are goods or services that can be traded. In marketing, in product is anything that can be offered to market and can satisfy a want or need. The retail level products are often referred to as merchandise. So, if you confused about product, I will give you an example about product. So, a product can be a physical or virtual. Physical products include durable goods such as cars, furniture, and computers, and non-durable goods is like food and beverage. Virtual products are offering of service or experiences such as education or software or etc. And now move to the service. So, what is service? Service is an act, service, or performance that is offered to others and does not have any form and does not result in ownership. So, we can say that service is an activity carried out or intended to provide satisfaction. So, as you can see, these are examples of service industries like healthcare, professional service, and financial services, hospitality, travel, and others. The healthcare example like hospital, medical practice, dentistry, eye care, accounting, legal, architectural, banking, investment, insurance, or like travel, like the airline, the travel agency, or the theme park. And now move to the other subtopic. There are 5 kinds of product classification product grade. There are 5. Number 1 is the main product or core benefit, namely the benefit that are actually needed and will be consumed by customer for each product, or the fundamental need, or one that customers satisfy by consuming the product or services. For example, the need to process digital images. Number 2 is generic product. Basic cheap product that fulfill the most basic product function or minimum product design can work. For example, the need to process digital image will be satisfied by generic, low-end personal computer using free image processing software or a processing laboratory. And number 3 is expected products. Are formal products offered with various attributes and conditions that are normally expected and agreed to be purchased. For example, like the computer is specified to deliver fast image processing and has a high resolution, accurate color screen. And number 4, or the last one, or number 5 is complementary products. Equivalent products are various product attributes that are equipped or achieved with various benefit and service so that they can determine additional satisfaction and can be distinguished from foreign products. For example, the computer comes preloaded with a high-end image processing software for no extra cost or at a deep discount incremental cost. And the last one, or number 5, about product grade classification is potential products are all kinds of addition and change that may be developed for a product in the future. For example, the customer receives ongoing image processing software upgrades with new and useful features. The classification of goods. So according to the Kotler 2002, products can be classified into several groups. The A is based on the shape. Products based on their form can be classified into two main groups, namely goods and services. So, goods are products that are physically tangible, so they can be seen, touched or touched, felt, held, stored, moved, and other physical treatment. And the service are activities, benefits, and satisfaction offered for sale or consumed by others, such as repair shops, beauty salons, hotel, and so on. And the B1 is based on durability. And the B1 or based on durable products based on the aspect of durability can be grouped into two, namely non-durable goods and durable goods. So, non-durable goods are tangible goods that are usually consumed in one or several uses. In other words, is economic life under normal condition of use is less than 1 year. For example, like soap, toothpaste, canned drinks, and so on. And the second one is durable goods. Durable goods are tangible goods that can usually last a long time with many uses. The example is like refrigerator, washing machine, clothes, and others. And for the bonus, I will explain a little bit of subtopic that I have to explain. It's about generic differences between goods and services. There are 3 generic differences tend to distinguish services from goods. These are number 1 is nature of the product. Leonard Berry described a good as an object, a device, and a thing, in a contrast to a service, which is a deed, a performance, and effort. Although service often include tangible actions such as sitting in an airline seat, eating a meal, or getting damaged equipment repair, the service performance itself is basically intangible. Like all performance, services are time-bound and experiential, even though they might have lasting consequences. And the second one is customer involvement in production. Performing a service involves assembling and delivering the output of a mix of physical facilities and mental or physical hair salon, hotels, and colleges or hospital, or etc. And the third is people as part of the product. In high contract service, customers not only come into contact with service personnel, they might also rub shoulders with the other customer. The difference between two service business often lies in the quality of employees who deliver the service. Similarly, the type of customer who patronize a participle service business helps to define the nature of the product experience. As such, people become part of the product in many services. So, okay, that's all about topic that I have to explain about product and service concept, and the 3 subtopic that I have to explain, and the bonus one. Hope you all know and have a point of view about topic that I have learned. Hope it's give you benefits, Thank you for watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.